I'm gonna show you how we can use MT4 simulator with the latest version of MT4. As you can see, this is the latest version of MT4. I'm gonna close it. First, we have to download the correct version of MT4. Someone shared the correct version for us on our group. I downloaded it on my folder. Let me check. Sorry. Okay, here's my MT4 simulator cracked latest version. First, we have to extract it. I'm going to extract this version here. As you can see, this is extracted Forex Simulator MQL4. Then we have to open the data folder. Obviously, here I'm going to open my data folder, and this is our MQL4, and we have to paste everything in order. And after that, here in the expert folder, we have to paste the Soft4FX Forex Simulator here, and then on the files folder we have to paste all of the files. As you can see, this is my MT4 data folder, and I'm going to send these files here. And after that, we have to close and reopen the MT4 simulator. I just closed it, and I'm going to reopen the simulator. Now we should have the Soft4FX Forex Simulator here. As this is a fresh install of my MT4, so we have to go to tools and option, expert advisor, then allow DL imports and allow automated trading. I just enabled those. After that, open Soft4FX, double click on this simulator, and then go on full mode. Enter any dummy email. I just entered a dummy email, test@test.com, and activation, use any code. That's it. Save it, and you are done. And we have our activation account. I have to tell you guys that data downloading features is not working, so you have to paste the data in this folder. Let me show you where you have to paste it. Open your file manager and go to documents. Here, as you can see, I have BTC USD data, and this is US30, and this is pound yen, this is gold USD, and this is my event data. I already pasted those here. You will find those in our group, and I will obviously give the link to our group here in this video description. New simulation, pound yen, I'm keeping everything as it is. After that, just as you can see, this chart opened successfully, and this is it, guys. This is basically it. And I opened two charts, hour 1 and hour 2. Of course, you have to select your template. I don't have a default template here. I didn't save any template. I'm going to show you a naked template here, and this is, let's say I didn't save any template, and sorry for my crappy English. If you forgive me, guys, for my crappy English. I am not a native English speaker. So this is our chart, and this is my pound yen chart. Of course, you can open any pair chart as long as you have downloaded the data for it. And after that, this is it basically. As you can see, my chart is moving. I'm going to enable scale fix here. Okay, so you can see better, and I'm going to speed up those a little bit. As you can see, the chart is moving fine, and after the buy, you can see stop loss and TP with visual mode. That's it. You can see your default currency for trading, and this is my trade terminal. I know everyone is familiar with this terminal. So good luck. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me.